Hey everybody, it's midnight, and today I'm playing Friday Night Funky, and as you can see, I died. I was doing a video, but Skylar kind of like ruined it, and I'm gonna try to beat this dude. Like, he beat me, but I'm not a pro at this game. Whoa. I just messed up there. I like the art style. I don't think you can hear the audio though. So, buggy but da. Oh. This is hard. Boo da 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 da. He's gonna beat me. Look, just watch. Oh my god! I need to get my step game up or I won't get anything in life. Oh no. Wah wah. Oh, it didn't kill me. What the hell? Okay, I didn't do this one. I mean, I don't remember. Unbelievable. It started without me. Look at it lagging now. I like the one who's like a girl. Look how fast it's going. I don't know if I'm lagging. But yeah, that is one. I can see why people like this game. Oh no, he's gonna break my bones. Or the opposite. Look at him lagging. Just appreciate that. Look at his beard. Did he shave it? Oh, I'm pretty sure he did. Looking like, I don't know. Whoa, I'm in the choir now. Oh, I kind of like broke them. Probably